Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Zanussi Electrolux ZWF 1432S. I wrecked it in the past by filling it with water. Check out my other videos and you'll find that one in there somewhere. I'm just going to chuck a brick at it. So the motor's just finished spinning down. There's the belt. Burned clean through. It's hot. Burned clean through that belt and then it popped. You can see in here, it split the drum in half. So it went in, went round, maybe once, distorted the drum, seized it somehow, and then the belt got stuck and burnt. A load of fragments there of the casing. So yeah, the brick was too much for this Zanussi. And just taking a look inside there, it's yeah, it hit it with some impact, sliced the back of it, smashed the bottom there, so there won't be any more going in this. It's seized fast. Cool. So I've just taken the top off to have a look inside and see what the damage is really like, and yeah, like it's completely smashed. It's completely smashed. It's detached the back from the front of the drum. You can see there, it's dead. It's completely dead. So there's no getting this one going again. What I will say though, on the build quality of these things, despite the fact that the plastic tub smashed up, here, all around the edge there's a rolled edge. You can see it on the bottom there. That edge of the steel is rolled over, so that when you were working on this, putting the belt on, you don't slice your fingers open. It's not all rough and raw like some of them. So we'll give it a thumbs up for that. There you go. Thanks for watching. See you later.